Hey guys, just got this huge pickerel. It's 2 pounds, 7 ounces, and we're gonna let her go. She's been out of water for about 2 minutes. It's a beautiful fish. Alright. Gotta revive her a little bit. There she goes. Oh, shit. Oh. First bass of the year, and we're gonna let go. Hey guys, got this nice pounder out for the 3rd day. This is our 5th fish. Yeah. Hey guys, first cast out here this morning, and Cole hooked up to a nice 1 pounder. Yeah. Okay, Cole's got another good one. Second one of the day in like 10 minutes. It's been pretty good. Yeah, now we're gonna let go. Alright, got another nice 1 pounder.
Hot one?
Yeah.
Yay! Bye-bye fishing.
Got a nice 3.5 pound chunker. Out here it's like 5:30. Almost heading back. Huge, nice big fish. Alright. Alright, got another nice 2 pounder. One after the other. Really nice out here right now.
It's a video. What did you catch?
Nice 1 pounder.
Yep.
Nice one. You always say that.
Stop. Stop, Ellie.
Okay.